What's going on, guys? So welcome back to another video. So today, well, you guys keep asking me, Eddie, what are you doing with this Ram? When is it deleted? When are you lifting it? When are you putting rims? When are you putting tires? When? Today, I'm gonna answer all of your wins. Now, you guys know, if there was a delete for this thing out and ready by Corey at PPEI, yes, over there, this thing would be deleted already. But unfortunately, the delete is not out yet for this truck. So until then, I might even have to fill up DEF fluid because I got like half a tank left according to the DEF, and I don't know how long it's gonna last. So that's gonna hurt me right there. And also, for you guys asking me about the Jeep, what's up with the Jeep content? We want to see the Jeep. Yes, don't worry. The Jeep, you're gonna see a lot of Jeep content. We got a lot of parts that have just been on order. Some already came in, some have not, but we are going to hook this thing up. And yes, she finally got clayed, finally put the iron stuff on there. This thing felt like sandpaper, now it's like glass. But now we're going to get it buffed, do the 3-stage polish on it, and then we are debating, we're either going to ceramic coat the whole thing, or we're going to clear bra the whole thing. You know, my wife, she off-roads this thing pretty dang hard, so it would probably be better to clear bra it. But I mean, I don't know, we'll see. But back to the Ram here. So yes, the delete, Corey has not released the delete for these Rams yet, so that's why, you know, she's not deleted, and that's why this thing is still quiet and sounds like a Prius. Now you guys are asking me, is this thing going to be done before, you know, desert season so we can take all the toys? Probably not. So the lift kit that I'm going with, I will let you guys know that I am doing the Carly lift. I looked at a lot of other lifts out there that you guys mentioned. You guys gave me a bunch of different brands and options and size and everything for this thing. Well, I've decided to do the Carly lift on this 3.5 inches. Yes, 3.5 inches. Now, you guys know me. I'm not into like the big, you know, lifted monster, huge trucks. You know, I went on my truck the 3 to 6 inch lift on the old GM. Well, because I wanted to get 37s. And for me to fit 37s, I had to go at least 5 inches. People are telling me on a leveling kit I can go 37th on this thing, but I don't want to level it. I do want to change suspension, you know, get a smoother ride. Now, reason why it's not lifted yet is because the Carly lift that I want, the 3.5 inch lift that I want, specifically want, and it's the whole thing, front, rear, the front end, the whole shebang upgraded, it is not out yet. So I am waiting for Carly to release that kit. They told me hopefully within 3 to 4 months, but I don't know. Trust me, guys, I want this thing lifted also as bad as you do, but I'm not in a crazy hurry for it because I want to run all the tests. So I want to run, you know, test towing. Stay tuned. Also, we are towing the big ding ding with this. This will be the first time towing with this thing. And well, actually towing a bigger trailer. As you guys know, we towed my dad's enclosed trailer, but that really wasn't much. And also towing the first time with 373. So all these Rams that I tested, that I towed with the 410s. I have not towed with the 373. So stay tuned for that. Also, we're going to do that. And what I was thinking also is my dad wants to bring his Denali up here, his 2500, and compare it to this thing. Tow the ding ding with his 2500 and with this, and go from there and see, you know, how the trucks do, how they react. So stay tuned for that also. So hopefully 3-4 months this thing will be lifted and delete. You know, trust me, guys, I'm waiting. Also, we got airbags coming for it. You know, I got a couple different brands coming. I'm going to try them, I think, depending on the companies, if they get back to me. One company did, they're sending me airbags. You guys know I am a huge airlift fan. I put the airlift on the GM, and I sell a lot of the airlift. Well, because I've been running them for a long time, never had any issues with them. You know, they've ran perfect. They're nice, it's simple, it's easy. You know, they're not crazy expensive. So I don't know. I might end up doing the airlift on these. The same thing system that I have on the Duramax, the Airlift 5000, and doing the wireless 1 kit on there, so I don't have to deal with, you know, where a lot of people, if you don't want to put the wireless 1 kit, you can just run the, they put the little air fittings, you know, one right here, and you can just do that. But I like the wireless 1 kit because it's just with a remote. It's all wireless. You can adjust it while you drive. It's really nice. I love their airlifts kits. So Probably going to do the Airlift 5000 on here, airbags. Or Carly told me, wait, Eddie, I got some airbags. You know, let me show you those. So we're going to wait on that and see what the Carly bags look like also. Now, rims and tires. Well, as you guys know, rims, I mean, rims are hard to pick out. And I have found a lot of rims that I like. There's just so many out there that look good. So I haven't decided on rims. Size, yes, I'm going to keep 20s. I'm not going to go any bigger or any smaller. I like the look of the 20s on this thing. And I'm not going like 24s or anything like that. I don't like that, you know, we got a massive rim and your tires, you know, this big. I want to have some meat on there. Now, tires, yes, I am going to stick with the Toyos. Am I going MT or RTs or even ATs, you know? That I don't know, but most likely, guys, I'm going with the Toyo Open Country MTs because the MTs look amazing. They perform 10 times better in the sand than the RTs do. The RT tires, as you guys know, when me and Duramax Barbecue did a test on noise, there was really no noise difference between the RTs and the MTs. The MTs, honestly, they just perform like crap in the sand. It's a horrible tire for the sand. I don't know if it's just because it's so flat, it's got no bite to it, but I just was not happy with it. So most likely, guys, we're going to put the MTs back on this thing. I will not do that. We're going to do the same size, 37, 13, 50, 20, with a 20 by 9 or 20 by 9.5 rim, with either, I don't know, plus 18. You guys know I don't like the tires sticking, you know, way out. Now you guys asked me about the radio antenna on top. Why isn't it on there? You put one in. I haven't installed it, but yes, I am putting it on here. I'm actually going to use this one right here, the Kenwood, the same one that I had in the Duramax right here. This is a TM281A. This is an amazing radio, works really good. And the Jeep, we're going to put this one, the Yaesu FT7900. This one's nice because it can come apart. And what I mean by that is, so I can mount this like under the seat, and you can unplug this part right here, unhook it like that, and I have a longer one. It's like a little phone cable, it looks like. I have a longer one of these, and you just run it longer, so all you have is this piece right here. You don't have, you know, this massive box. You don't have to mount that. You can have that hidden and just run this, and boom, you're good. It's nice, it's clean, and this radio is nice also because it is a dual band radio. This one is not a dual band, so this one, your frequencies are, you know, between the 144 and 180 something. This can go between that and then go up to the 400s also. But if you're wondering also, you know, why I like to install these, well, because these, you know, and not use these aren't very powerful. So you guys know these things are only like 5 to 7 watts. Some of them are 4 watts. These things are 50 to 60. This is a 65 watt. So these things are a lot more powerful, and you get your distance at them. These things go a lot further than, you know, your regular handhelds. Now, also on this truck, I want to make one thing very clear to you guys. So a lot of you guys are saying, Eddie, why did you buy this thing? You got so many complaints. You know, it doesn't seem like you like this thing. Okay, guys, I freaking love this truck. This truck is amazing. I'm not complaining about it. I'm trying to answer everybody's questions. So a lot of people are saying, oh, Eddie, your Freon is low. That's why it's blowing at 50. Okay, well, I come to find out, no, it's not low. It was set perfect. This thing comes to 50. A lot of people are saying it was because the heater core, it's pulling the heat from there, yada, yada, whatever. I'm not going to get into all that. But then they're saying, you know, just get a cap or something and cap off the heater core. Well, I mean, yeah, I'm sure it'll get cold, guys. But then you got, you know, no heater. And I wouldn't need to do that because when I'm driving this thing, even when it was 98 degrees or when I was coming home and it was 101, this thing was fine inside. I was cool. It was set to 3. I wasn't hot. I wasn't sweating. So 50 degrees to me is good. Maybe the other trucks, yes, some of you guys are blowing at 38, 40. You know, I mean, that's good. I'm glad. But this thing blowing at 50 is not making me sweat inside. You know, it's keeping the cab inside. And I even checked it. It was at 68 degrees. I left my little thermometer in there. It was great. I was very comfortable. And I could have turned it up more and got it even colder. So no, I'm not complaining about this truck. I'm in love with this truck. I'm just trying to answer your guys' questions that are asking me. Like a lot of you guys ask me, Eddie, how are the lights? The lights on this thing, especially these things at night when they turn, they are incredible. It's an amazing truck, amazing, you know, product, amazing LED light system they put on this thing. So I don't have any complaints. The 5 things that you guys saw that I didn't like, yes, I don't like, you know, how the steps, you can see that, and the mirrors and all that stuff. And you guys telling me about the step back here. I know, and I've known about this step. The reason why I didn't get it is because I saw a big loose truck. And what I didn't like about it is the part that you push down with your foot, you can see it, you know, it sticks out, and it just didn't look clean to me. So that's why I didn't get it. Now, I mean, is it a deal breaker for me to not buy this truck? No, of course not. I mean, if it's that big of a deal, I can just, realistically, if I need to get in the truck, I come in here and I just use this hitch and use that to get in here. So those 5 bad things that, you know, that I didn't like, what you guys seem to forget is there's probably, you know, 20, 30 things that I love about this thing. So for you guys saying, why did you buy this thing, Eddie, if you don't like it? Guys, I love this thing. It's running great. It's smooth. It's quiet. Power's incredible. I got no issues with it. Now, for the people that say, Eddie, you're going to hate this thing. Your interior's going to fall apart. The truck's going to fall apart. You know what, guys? Whatever happens to this truck, you're going to see it. You know, I mean, I'm not hiding anything from you guys. I'm putting it all on film, all on camera. So if anything happens, any flaws, anything I like, don't like, I will let you guys know. If there's any rips, tears, if anything starts falling apart, you guys are going to be the first to know. I mean, I'm doing these videos for you guys and for you guys to, and I'm not, you know, doing it to hide anything. I'm doing it to be honest with you guys. So if something happens or if something's going on, you guys are going to be the first ones to hear it. I am not shy to tell you, you know, what's wrong with the truck, what happened to the truck. If this thing breaks down, you know, if it doesn't, great. If it does, I mean, you'll see it. You'll see it on the tube. And, you know, stay tuned. Hopefully, nothing goes wrong with it. Knock on wood. All right, there's no. Oh, there we go. I gotta get. All right, hold on. Get in here. All right, there we go. Nothing happens to this thing, so we'll see. And then a lot of you guys told me, Eddie, why did you get a 3500 and not a 2500? Well, I got the 3500 because I couldn't get the high output engine in a 2500. So that's why I had no choice. I had to get a 3500. But there you have it, guys. So you know when this thing's getting lifted. Carly said they will contact me if the kit comes out sooner. You know, I would love to do it. Also, delete, nothing yet. You know, PPI is gonna let me know. They'll contact me. So as of right now, sorry guys, she's a stalker. I'll be driving her stock, having to probably go get some DEF fluid. Oh, it's gonna kill me when I gotta go do that. Other than that, though, that's it. I'm still going to be continuing to run tow test. I am going to hook it up to the ding to let you guys know how this thing does. And I do want to set some like times, figure out, do a comparison between it deleted and between it stock, RPM wise, gear wise, stuff like that. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.